you may ask, why am I doing here? So, you see that aircraft just flying around like a meteor. So basically, that's the president aircraft. So yes, I'm escorting it for a island tour. Yes, I'm serious. Where the hell is he? Where the hell is he? I don't have any visuals on him. Huh. Well, wait, let me look. Oh, there he is. I see. So, you may ask, these green things are actually checkpoints that the pilot, me and the aircraft pilot of the president is able to see. So I may wonder, is nobody going to stop us doing this? Was it our job? Or is that my job? Well, listen. Look at these green things. Making some extra energy, just in case. Oops, I may have exited the aircraft by accident. But don't worry about it. Man, the pilot is kind of crazy. And also, I'm not able to see what is the pilot doing. I can not control it, but I can't see what he is doing. So that's a positive. And also, I'm gonna check out the local beach, or I say the local. I forgot what it's called, but it's the field. And also, it's nearby the green bridge. It's kind of like what I'm going to call it, but I'm going to check it out.
Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate. Terrain. Terrain.
Wait a damn second, I see. Ah, hell, fuck. No.